Welcome to Manager SE Inspections. In Manager SE Inspections, the Manager SE Estimates MPI status has been updated to Inspected. Once an inspection is completed, the MPI items identified can now be priced. Switching to Manager SE and selecting that estimate to open, the items from the inspection have automatically created job view containers. These items now require pricing as you would normally do using various Manager SE options. These might include quick menu canned jobs if you have them prepared, or more likely the estimator for labor times and various catalogs for application-specific parts. Once all of these items are priced, switch back to Manager SE Inspections. Double-click that estimate record to open it. Now the record opens to the authorization page where the record displays as priced and is ready to be shared with the vehicle owner. Be sure to watch the customer communication clip as the next step. Thanks for watching.